In this video, we will compare the cost and impact of using bottled water for disaster relief situations versus a portable emergency water system. Providing bottled water during disaster relief efforts is an expensive and logistically complex undertaking. Storage, transportation, and distribution can be a challenge and help drive up the end cost. If we consider the cost of providing water for a community of, say, 10,000 people, the math looks like this. Each person will consume 1 gallon of water per day, for a total of 10,000 gallons each day. In a 30-day period, those folks will need 300,000 gallons of water. If we add 4% for waste, which is actually quite low, we need to provide 312,000 gallons of water to sustain the 10,000 residents. If we consider FEMA pays $1.50 for a gallon of water, then FEMA will spend $468,000 for bottled water for those 10,000 residents. The environmental impact is also quite significant. The water is usually supplied in 16.9-ounce plastic bottles. Each bottle contains 0.3 of an ounce of plastic. The 312,000 gallons of water from the previous example will require 2,363,636 bottles. Surprisingly, those bottles equate to 44,318 pounds of plastic waste. Additionally, the water is shipped on wooden pallets, and in this example, would require 1,177 pallets. After the event, all of these will likely be landfilled instead of being recycled. There are better alternatives. GCA, Automated Water Makers, as well as several other companies, can provide small portable emergency water systems. Each system has the capability to provide water to those 10,000 residents at about 1/5 the cost, with almost no plastic or wooden waste. These portable emergency water systems are either trailer or container mounted, making them easy to transport and deploy. The trailer mounted systems can be pulled by a pickup truck, while the container mounted systems can be transported on small flatbed trailers, also pulled by a pickup truck. Each system is completely self-contained and will operate automatically after the initial startup. They can be equipped with integral generators to provide electrical power if electric is not available. Self-service dispensing stations are built into each system, so no attendant or operator is required. The systems are reusable, so there is no need to continually purchase water for each disaster relief operation. After the event has ended, the systems are taken back to their staging location, where they will await the next deployment. Using this approach, we could provide drinking water during emergencies, but not introduce the plastic and wooden waste, while at the same time saving hundreds of thousands of dollars. We do realize these systems will not totally replace bottled water. However, in our area, we're estimating these systems could provide 75% of the water. Our suggestion is to deploy these at strategic locations at the beginning of the hurricane season, so we are ready when the storms arrive. To learn more about our concept, please contact us at my personal email shown on the screen.